Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to export your video on Adobe Premiere Pro. Whether you are exporting for YouTube, you're exporting for weddings and clients and any other type of exporting, we'll explore it on this video. So exporting is basically the final steps in editing, how you turn your video project into a finished video file ready to upload or to share. So that is basically what exporting is. So to get started, here is my video. I am done. To me, it's basically I'm done and I want to export this video. If I want to export just a portion, there is a way I will do that. But if I want to export the entire project, then I don't need to touch any other thing. All I need to do with Adobe Premiere Pro 2024, you just come up here and you see export. But if you don't see this, you're using the lower version, you go to file, and then when you come down, you will see export. Then on exporting, you see media, you see other files. You can export to Final Cut, you can export to After Effects, you can export to OMF and ODL. You can export as motion graphics, but currently it's not a motion graphic file. So you can also send it to media encoder for it to also export for you. So, but with the latest version, if you just want to export finally, you just go here, and this one is basically going to export just as a media file. Okay, so while it brings you here, you can add a custom destination. For example, like going to add either it's a media file or it's a different thing or whatever. So it brought you to this place. Now what you need to do is the name of the file. So I will say YOLOcast. I don't have, so I have to bring up I don't have O on me. So just bring up my keyboard. YOLOcast. And then they're asking you for where you want this file saved to. So I want it saved in video. Now the preset is that they're asking you which of them do you want to use. If you use high, it's going to come with quality, but the size is going to be high. Here it's saying 2.8 gig. So depending on what you want, if you want it to be medium, the size will reduce to 1.77 gigabyte. And then the format, I always like using H.26. This format you see, H.264. You can use either you can use that format, or you used AVI. All of them are good, but just know that the size is going to be high, this AVI here. So for YouTube, once you export it with this format, is basically good for YouTube. It's also good for whether you're exporting a video for weddings and all of that. So once that is done, you click on export. But before you click on export, you look at all the details that is available here. What you're going to get from the video is the format is H.264. The video is having 1920 by 1000p, and then it's 25 frame rate and all of that. So when you look through all of this, you have all that you need, and then you just click on, even the audio has, and then it has an estimated form, and then you hit on the export. So I'm not exporting now because I do not have this space. So I'm not exporting now until I have enough space on my system. So once you have done with the setting, the next thing you need to do, you hit on the export button. So once that is done, you'll see that it will just start going, and then once it's finished doing, you'll get your video. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and leave us that comment on what you want us to do on Premiere Pro. But for me, for now, it's bye-bye.